Ravi Shastri has reminisced about a conversation between Shubman Gill and Rishabh Pant during the Gaba test. What is that? Well, I'm going to be telling you. Uske baad, Kevin Pietersen has given some suggestions to the ECB to bring back England's glory days in Test cricket. What is that? Well, stay tuned to today's video to find out. Aur sabse ant mein, Michael Atherton has come down hard on England players and asked them to prioritize international duties over the IPL. Why has he said that? Well, we will find out all of that in today's episode of News Tracker with me, Nivedna Prabhu. Hi everyone, a very happy new year to all of you. I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe, which is the most important thing right now. But before I begin today's video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to our channel as yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. So go ahead and hit that button quickly. And without wasting any more time, let's begin today's video. Now, former Team India head coach Ravi Shastri went down memory lane while trying to recall that Gaba test that India played against Australia. Now, that of course was historic for many reasons, but in this particular conversation, Ravi Shastri has revealed the conversation that he overheard between Rishabh Pant and Shubman Gill when he was on the way to the loo in the Brisbane game. What is this entire context? Well, let me tell you. Now, Ravi said these two young boys were having a chat, Gill and Pant. Gill had batted magnificently to set it up with a brilliant 90. I stopped and listened and walked straight past and I said, keep going. Did not say a word. I knew in my mind they were going for it. I endorse that kind of cricket. In trying to do that, you might lose. But if you pull it off, that's the ultimate heist. That's what we did there. Now that of course he went on to say that if you manage to pull it off, then nothing short of a miracle, right? And that's exactly what India got in that Gaba test. But what do you think of Ravi Shastri's statement about this particular attitude that he really kind of endorses in cricket? Definitely let me know in the comments below. Well, everybody is still reeling from the fact as to what is really happening with the England Test team in the ongoing Ashes because they've had 3 losses in that 5-match Test series. Now, on the other hand, Kevin Pietersen has come up with a suggestion to the ECB saying that franchise-based cricket in red ball format should be introduced so that, of course, England can go on and get back their glory days in Test cricket. Now, what did Kevin say? Let's find out. Now, Kevin Pietersen went on to say, in the 100, the ECB have actually produced a competition with some sort of value. They now need to introduce a similar franchise competition for red ball cricket, whereby the best play against the best every single week. This Ashes defeat needn't be a total failure if they, that is the ECB, can use it to implement proper change for the test side. Now, what do you all think about this particular suggestion from Pietersen? Do you think it is a viable option? Give me your thoughts in the comments below. Continuing to talk about the poor run that the England team has had at the ongoing Ashes 2021-22, Michael Atherton has come down hard on England players. For starters, he has said that at the end of the day, England players should not be prioritizing IPL over international duty. On the other hand, he's also said that the ECB should be doing everything according to their schedule to keep, the best interest of the team, which means that even if players were to be prioritizing IPL, that should not be the case according to him, and ECB should really be taking a look at this seriously. Now, what else did Michael Atherton say? Let's find out. Now, Atherton said the players should be told that while the ECB will be accommodating of the request to play in the IPL, a 12-month contract is exactly that, and the granting of a no objection certificate to play in the IPL and other franchise competitions is contingent on it being in the best interest of the England team. Players should not miss international duty to play in the IPL, nor be rested and rotated to allow them to play elsewhere. Now, on one hand, of course, just previously I told you Pietersen's suggestion, for England to really make that, really glory days come back in test format. And on the other hand, Atherton focusing on the fact that, England players should be following this format where at the end of the day, international duty is about everything and not prioritizing IPL, far more than having to play for the nation. What do you all think about this? Definitely give me your thoughts in the comments below. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the News Tracker. If you like the video, you know what to do, right? Give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels, including our Telegram channel, because wahan pe you'll find some amazing match-winning combos as well as fantasy tips for your fantasy team, so you wouldn't want to miss out. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be back very soon to tell you what's happening in the world of cricket, to get you exciting stories from the world of cricket, and there's so much to be looking forward to in 2022. But for all of that, do not forget to hit our subscribe button. And until I see you next time, like I always say, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and keep smiling. Bye-bye.